Hey guys, so for my experience for gender and sexuality, I created a survey that I just sent out to a few of my friends and put on my Facebook page for people to take. And it just asked three questions. It asked if they were male or female, and then it asked them, do you feel more comfortable with a male or female teacher and why? And lastly, has there ever been a time when you felt your gender affected your grades? And it was very interesting. It was really interesting to see what people responded. I had 9 male responders and 37 female responders, so a lot higher response from females. But what was really interesting is of all the males who said they preferred a teacher of one gender or another, all of them said males. Only 3 of them said males. But kind of interesting. And then overall, 11 people said they preferred male teachers over female teachers, and 6 people said they preferred female teachers over males, and all the people who preferred females were females themselves. And so most of the people who said they preferred one or the other, they just said it was because they related more to one. That was the general response, was that they just felt like they related more to one gender. And then what I found was really interesting was how people responded to the question of if they felt their gender had ever affected their grades. And of the 46 people that responded, 9 of them said that they felt that their gender had affected their grades, and all 9 of them said that they felt the teacher favored girls, and that they expected less of girls and were more willing to bump up their grade if they needed help. So some of them shared experiences. Some girls shared experiences of when they they were on the edge of getting to the next grade, so they went to talk to their teacher, and they were willing to give them a couple extra points to bump up their grade, but they said, I don't think that he would have done that for a male student. So anyway, a lot of the same experiences, which was interesting. So anyway, so girls and boys alike both thought that, all the people that responded to that, they both thought that girls were treated easier in the classroom. So really interesting. So I think what I took from this and what I want to apply to my future classroom is that I just first want to be aware of my biases and just keep that in check. And so I think one way that you could do that is to maybe when you're grading tests or essays or assignments at all, you can block out the name so you don't know who the student is while you're grading it. And I think that might help with the biases. But I think more than anything, we just have to be aware and just try to treat our students equally and have the same expectations for them, no matter who they are.